I don't know if you know Lime.
They know me now.
I call
She kinda
Lime
know
the
me.
squirrel. She is my squirrel because she's everywhere. I'm Chef Kevin. I didn't know about this. I work next door with Chef Lapita. I'm one of the instructors next door. We're gonna give you a quick class on meal prep, and if you got any questions, anybody have any food allergies? Any allergic to anything? Have food allergies?
Weed nuts.
Nuts, okay.
Everything.
You allergic to everything? Like, huh?
Peanut butter,
Nuts,
bananas.
wheat, bananas, and I don't eat any vegetables hardly. I don't eat a lot of things.
Is that by
You
choice
don't
or
eat
by-
vegetables because you don't like them, or you just?
They're nasty.
Oh, no.
Have you ever tried them?
Taste, and I'm very like smells. They set me off my headaches, like perfumes and all that.
Okay. All right,
Okay.
okay. So, and your peanuts, correct, ma'am? Your peanuts and
No, not peanut.
Groundnuts?
nuts.
Hazelnuts.
Hazelnuts.
Oh,
Okay.
Because some people eat almonds.
Okay.
Tree nuts, basically.
Tree nuts. Okay. Any high salt intake, high cholesterol, high blood pressure? Okay. Okay.
Pre-diabetic.
Pre-diabetic? Anything? Okay. Any lactose intolerant? Okay. So we'll get a list of that. I know, Lana. I ask these questions because when you meal prep, the name of the game is not for taste. It's not for taste. It's for protein and healthiness. It's not for taste. I used to meal prep. I love lifting weights. I'm a gym rat. I lift weights every morning. And this portion size, and trust me, it's not for taste. So I'm just not being. No. It's gonna taste good, but when you eat it every day.
You get sick.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
You're eating it constantly. You eat so if you
It's
do a
like
meal
a
prep
repeat.
every day,
Yeah.
every day. So you gotta get a discipline in your mind and say I'm gonna eat chicken breast, brown rice, and broccoli for dinner for a week. And it's 6 ounces of chicken, 4 ounces of sides.
So I got a question.
Yes, ma'am.
When you meal prep, can you not just prep certain things, put it in the freezer, and then alternate what you pull out and thaw out, so you're not eating the exact same thing every day?
But that's the purpose of a meal prep is to get your body on a schedule. So if we prep and we give you, if you switch it out every day, you first you got to put your body in the shock. You got to shock your body. You got to get your body to used to eating this every day. A cup of brown rice, a 6 ounce portion of chicken, a 4 ounce portion of broccoli.
So does it
If you
matter how the chicken is prepared?
No.
Yeah.
It's all plain.
It's just like, let's say if we do chicken, right? Like Lon got chicken
I
here,
got chicken.
right?
This one, yeah.
So if you do grilled chicken, it's just grilled chicken with salt and pepper or some all-purpose seasoning with no MSG and no salt and
That one I
broccoli,
did air fried.
right?
So
Or air fried.
it's gotta be bland?
It's not fried. No fried food.
No, I'm saying-
No, it doesn't
No,
have to be
I see.
bland. But what I'm saying,
Because
don't.
you're just saying salt and pepper, but
Yeah.
come on, garlic powder and
No.
onion.
No.
No, because if you look on the back of that, if you look on the back of that salt, that garlic powder, onion powder, it's 12 grams of sodium.
But you can put
And all that salt.
raw onions, like you would do all the vegetables. you want.
Lemon juice, fresh squeeze.
It's tough.
Peppers.
Okay, so you gotta really look at
You
that
you
stuff.
you have to
Okay.
put it in your brain. I'm only drinking water.
Uh-huh.
If I drink coffee, it's black coffee, no cream, no sugar.
Oh,
It's no pop,
I think we're gonna lose a few people.
no pop. Like for me, like I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I'm the best at it, right? Because every day, sometimes I cheat too, right? I get it, but I don't drink pop, soda. I'm from up north. We say pop. I don't drink pop. I don't eat fried food. I don't eat fast food. I don't eat after 8 o'clock at night. She's 5 pounds, so she can do that, right? So in the beginning, it's hard. It's tough. It's very, and you're really supposed to eat 6 to 8 times a day.
And, we're gonna
Small
give you
portions.
a sample of what, all the food that you can eat. It's a lot of food.
supposed to
Actually,
at least 6 to
that's
8
how I
times a
met Chef Land. We met in the gym with a very tough coach